happy holidays, everyone. It's Chrissy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I took my living room from this mess to this nice, cozy, holiday-filled whole vibe, okay? I'm going to be giving you guys all the details, so stay tuned. Alright, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. My 2-year-old is sitting right beside me, and she's probably gonna start talking at some point. But I gotta do what I gotta do. As you can see, I am cleaning up, straightening up. I'm about to rearrange the living room because where the couch is right now, it's so ugly. It was opposite the wall that I'm about to put it on, but I ended up moving it because I was gonna move it to the opposite wall earlier, but I ended up moving it halfway, and it ended up in front of the balcony and stayed there for the longest. But we're moving it out. Yeah, I needed to rearrange the whole living room so that I had room to put the Christmas tree. I had nowhere to put my tree the way it was. So that's why we're moving everything. And I think it just looks better. The couch is not in front of the balcony door. So, yeah. I didn't show me unmounting the TV. It was easy to unmount, but girl, it wasn't no way in hell I was going to remount it. Alright, so we're going to start in the corner by the door. Now, this is a lamp that I purchased from overstock.com. I don't know what the exact name of it is, but I'll put up a picture on the side so you guys can see. They may or may not have it. It's been like a year since I got it. So moving on, this is it's actually a bookshelf. It's not a TV stand. It's a bookshelf that I also purchased from overstock.com. This was about I want to say $40, like $140 with coupon codes. And I love it so much. Like, this is so me. If you know me, this is me, okay? But yeah, this is my wax warmer. I think I got this from, girl, don't give me the line, I don't know. But yeah, it's a wax warmer, and it has apple cider wax thingies in it, and it smells so good in here, so Christmassy. These little decorative balls I got from At Home. They were about $6 each, and I think the small one was like $5. The tray I either purchased from Marshall's or Burlington or Ross, one of those stores. It's at the bottom, but I'm not about to flip it over. I need to stop saying that's so irritating. Fillers, ew. But I got these trees from Walmart. I think they came up to about $10 each. No, $10 altogether, my bad. The TV, this is a 65-inch TV I purchased from Walmart about 2 years ago. How old is Lena? Lena's 2. Lena was like a couple months old when we got this TV. Oh, I got it on Black Friday, actually, 2 years ago. So yeah. This is our Christmas tree. So cute. I actually want to add some more stuff to it because it looks really full in person, but when I look at it on camera, it's like the green from the tree is really popping out, and it doesn't look that green in person. So I think I need to add some more stuff to it. But we got some mint balls. I was really feeling the mint color this year. I'm always in a silver and white type of mood. That's like my favorite. That's my go-to. But I need to take this gum out of my mouth. Everything on the tree I purchased from Walmart, literally everything. So yeah, oh, the tree I got last year after Christmas, it was 50% off. It was normally, I think, $175, and I think I paid like whatever 50% of that whatever 50% of that is. But yeah, it changes colors, but right now I just have it stuck on white just for the aesthetic. And this little skirt was like $3 at Walmart. They didn't have no cute ones that I liked, and I wasn't about to just buy no anything just because. So yeah. Moving on, these curtains. Who are you telling to shush? These curtains I got from Amazon, both pairs. And what's crazy is I wanted, before I saw the ombre, those are my favorite. Yes, they are white and they ombre into gray. So cute. I was originally gonna purchase like 3 different pairs to get white and gray, and then I saw these and was like, girl, gimme. So that was very fortunate for me to find these. I will try to find them down below. Stop telling me to shush. I will try to find them and link them down below. Moving on, the canvases on the wall, they're on both sides, but the tree's blocking that one. I actually made these. I purchased the canvas from I think Joann's, either Joann's or Michael's, one of those. And I just painted it and threw some glitter on it, struck some black paint on it. Girl, it was real easy. I actually have a video on how I did it on my channel, so I will also be linking that video down below for you guys to check it out. Okay, period. My couch I purchased from American Freight. I don't know if they have stores everywhere, but they do have an online website. I would try to find the exact couch. Y'all, if you have a kid, this couch is perfect. Like, Lena is such a mess maker, and anytime she spills something on it or drops something or smears it, I can easily just take a washcloth and wipe it down, and it comes clean. The throw I got from Target, it was like $15. And these pillows are really old. Actually, I've had them for a long time. Yeah, so don't look too hard because they're old. Now, the accent wall. I actually have another video on my channel on how I did the accent wall. I get a lot of inquiries from my clients and things. Clients that come to my house. They always ask about this wall, and I have no problem telling them that it's duct tape. It was really easy. I have a video on my channel how I did it. And yeah, the mirror I also got from Overstock. Okay, look, Overstock is just where it's at, clearly. I get a lot of stuff from there. I actually have a credit card through them. I don't like to use it that often because, you know, girl, I will get carried away. So, but yeah, I got this. Lena, please. Goodbye. Go in your room. I got the mirror from Overstock. I believe it was like $170 something. I don't know. I will put a picture up on the side of how much I paid for it. I waited months for this mirror to come back in stock. Like, one day they had it and I wasn't ready to buy it yet, and I was like, damn. And when I was ready to buy it, they sold out, and I was so pissed. So I had to wait like 5 to 6 months for them to restock this. So if you see it and you want it, girl, get it, because it may not be there when you come back. But yeah, the string lights I put on them I got from Walmart. They were like $8. And yeah, these branches on this side, I don't want to show y'all too far over. But the branches, I've had those for a long time, and I just wrapped some like sparkly material around it, and I just wear it. It was real cute or whatever. My TV mount is on the floor over there because I was not about to mount this TV. It's only me here, so it just had to do what it do. And this rug I got from, I love this rug, I got from Burlington. The funny thing is, when I went to Burlington that day, I wasn't expecting to buy the rug. However, I saw it and it didn't have a price tag on it. So I went to the register and was like, hey, what's up? I want to buy this rug. How much is it? So this was the biggest rug out. They didn't have another rug this size. And y'all, I'm a home decor fanatic, so I'm always shopping around for different home decor items. So I know this rug easily could have been $160. And they had to ring up a smaller rug because this one didn't have a price tag. So I ended up getting it for $80. Such a steal, okay? Burlington. I mean, you're not gonna find that too often, but I lucked up. But yeah, it's plush and it has like little sparkly stuff in it, but I love it. So yeah, this is my little humble abode. Very small, but very cute. Period. I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, homegirls.